Remember, that's the one that snorted on me.
You got to keep the food coming or he snorts. Get your hand out of the deal. So I can get some. Give it to him. He'll just take it.
Oh,
look here, look here, look here. Just give it to him. No, just give it to him. Look here.
Be careful, he'll start on you.
Yes, he will. And we can't do two hands. Daddy, look at Dad blowing the window. Man, that thing stinks.
Yeah.
And we're running out of food and it's going to be really, really bad. Hurry, get your.
I'll drive off
get
when
a
the
piece.
food's gone.
The food is gone.
Okay.
Well, we dropped it all. Golly, is it somebody in the car that smells?
No, it's him with poo-poo on him.
He's got a lot of poo-poo on him. You give him food? Well, give it to him. Let's not hold it back and tease him. Okay, let's go. Whoa.
Is he getting mad?
Yeah.
Uncle.
How about that fellow over there? Feed him. Here, baby. Come here, baby. You've got a piece of food. Give it to him, Chloe.
Chloe, right here.
Give it to him over there. He's waiting.
Daddy.
That's all we got.
Here, little guy.
All right.
There we go. Now we have done it all.
Dada, I'll come in.
Okay. You're